How to turn off iPhone without using touchscreen. So there are two ways in how you can do this on your iPhone. First way is to hold two buttons, the volume up and the power button at the same time. Just keep on holding the two, and then this power off button will show on your screen. Take note that if you just press these two buttons, let go quickly and not hold it, you will be able to only screenshot your page. So make sure to hold on that volume up and power button. Another way you can do if your touchscreen is really not responding, simply click on the volume up, click on volume down, and then hold on the power button. This should take for about 2 to 4 seconds and this page will appear. If you really can't touch your screen, just keep on holding the power button after this page appears, and then your phone should turn off. After some seconds, the Apple logo will be showing on your screen, indicating that your phone has now restarted. Again, click and release the volume up, click and release the volume down, and then hold on the power button until your phone turns black. So that is how you turn off your iPhone without using the touchscreen. Do let us know if this video helped you out, and if you have any questions, feel free to drop them down below. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.